This is our latest model design mobile steam washing machine. Now we will show you how to operate this machine. First, open this box. Turn on the air switch. Hold tight this steam gun. Press this steam button. When the steam comes out, you can not hold tight the steam gun. This button is to adjust the humidity. The lower of the number, the wetter of the steam. The higher of the number, the drier of the steam. This is the wettest.
等会儿，打。好大过来。
This is the driest.
等会儿。
The number 60 is the biggest number you can turn to. Please do not turn to the number more than bigger than. When you don't use it, press this button to turn off. Here is one arrow. When you make the steam, the arrow is points to the outside. When you want to come out the cold water, turn the arrow inside. Points to. When you use the cold water to wash the car, you need to use the cold water again. Turn on this button to let the cold water out.
没按下去。到了。跳一下3。
The water gun can also make bubbles. We will show you. This button is to adjust the temperature of this boiler. If not the technical engineer, please do not take or make any change of this button. Please add engine oil regularly.